So this is another problem. I have just taken different varieties of problems, but concept is budget, actuals, all that is there. So I will read out this problem. You are appointed as the accountant of this company. Budgeted sales, sales volume variance, price variance, pre-budgets, and then sales margin, sales price, production cost, labor rate, all that. Now, normally students should not jump. This is given for the month of May. The problem operating statement is given for the month of May. Whereas you are given data for the month of June. This is for May, and your assistant provides you the following information and sales cost for the month of June. So June data you have to calculate and fill it in the May format. That is the problem. Sales, a lengthy problem, but very simple. Very simple. Our statement will work easily. So now here I will do the problem, every problem, so that your comfort level will be better. As usual, I want you to this is the answer you are going to fill up. I will do differently now so that you will get the answers. First is computation of variances. I am trying this methodology. Second, I am changing. You have to find which is better for you. Understand? But you should become experts. This concept is completely explained. So, any problem you can do in the table method, friend. Table means you common sense, that's all. Okay. So, Rama. Yes. This is computation of variances. Computation of variances. And you read the problem with you, and I also have the problem with me, and we will go with that. I'll give you a number of problems for practice, friends. Voracious practice you should do. This is the problem. Computation of variances, materials. Actually, it starts with labor, the problem. Okay. In the order, no? If you read the problem, in the order of working, standard labor, then you got materials. And so, whichever way you can do, that's okay. So, let us go like this. SQ, AQ, AQ. Same, taka, you should put standard rate. Now, I am not doing 1, 2, 3, but you have to do all that. This is called materials. Then labor. SH, EHW, then variable overheads. SH, EHW. There is no idle time in this problem. Fixed overheads. These are the items. Okay. So, we will start with the problem with all the details are before us. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Right. I want you, just 5 minutes I'll give you, try to fill up that. Just you have to do it in particular order. Labor, standard hours given, budgeted hours given, everything is there. Just you have to incorporate, that's all. As we did it only you have to do.